Artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries, governments, and societies globally. As we step into 2025, several key developments highlight the rapid advancements and growing influence of AI across various sectors. From corporate initiatives to government regulations and international discussions, this blog post delves into the most significant AI updates that are shaping our present and future. 1. Oracle's AI agents for sales professionals. Oracle has recently unveiled a suite of AI agents designed specifically to assist sales professionals in automating various tasks. These AI agents aim to enhance productivity by managing routine responsibilities such as updating company records and generating customer intelligence reports. By leveraging AI technology, Oracle enables sales teams to focus on more strategic activities, ultimately driving better business outcomes. The introduction of these AI agents is part of a broader trend in which companies are increasingly integrating AI solutions into their workflows. This move not only streamlines operations but also allows organizations to harness data-driven insights to improve customer interactions. As businesses strive to stay competitive, the implementation of AI tools like those from Oracle is becoming essential for success. 2. Microsoft's continued investment in AI infrastructure. Microsoft has committed to a substantial investment of $20 billion in AI infrastructure during the first quarter of 2025. This significant financial commitment underscores the company's ambition to lead in the AI sector. However, despite these investments, Microsoft faces challenges, including a slower than expected adoption of AI services and concerns over high spending. The tech giant's upcoming second quarter report is eagerly anticipated, as it will shed light on how these investments are translating into tangible results. Investors and industry analysts are particularly interested in Microsoft's strategies for driving AI adoption and overcoming the hurdles currently facing the company. 3. Major AI infrastructure investment announcement. In a bold move, President Donald Trump is expected to announce a private sector investment of up to $500 billion aimed at funding AI infrastructure. This initiative involves a joint venture named Stargate, which includes significant players like OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle. The initial funding of $100 billion is set to kick off a 4-year plan that could potentially grow to $500 billion. This investment represents a concerted effort by the US government to foster AI innovation and position the country as a leader in the global AI landscape. By collaborating with private sector entities, the government aims to harness the power of AI to drive economic growth, enhance national security, and improve public services. 4. Easing of AI regulations. In line with its commitment to fostering innovation, the Trump administration has taken steps to relax AI regulations by canceling the 2023 executive order that mandated companies to share information on advanced AI model development with the US government. This decision is expected to benefit major tech firms like Google, enabling them to operate with greater flexibility in their AI initiatives. The relaxation of regulations reflects a growing recognition of the need for a balanced approach to AI governance, one that promotes innovation while also ensuring ethical considerations are addressed. By streamlining regulatory requirements, the government is encouraging businesses to invest in AI development without the burden of excessive oversight. 5. UN adopts first global resolution on AI. The United Nations has taken a significant step by adopting its first global resolution focused on artificial intelligence. This non-binding resolution encourages countries to prioritize the safeguarding of human rights, protect personal data, and monitor AI technologies for potential risks. The resolution aims to establish a baseline set of principles to guide AI development and use worldwide. As AI technology continues to evolve, this global framework is essential for ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests and does not compromise fundamental rights. 6. Vatican's focus on AI ethics. The Vatican has announced that the theme for the next World Day of Peace will be Artificial Intelligence and Peace. This initiative underscores the Church's interest in the ethical implications of AI and its potential impact on society. By engaging in discussions around AI, the Vatican aims to contribute to a broader dialogue on how technology can be harnessed for the common good. This emphasis on ethical considerations aligns with global trends in AI governance, where stakeholders are increasingly aware of the need for responsible AI development. The Vatican's involvement highlights the importance of incorporating diverse perspectives in shaping the future of AI. 7. UN Security Council's AI talks in a groundbreaking move. The UN Security Council held its first formal meeting to discuss the global implications of artificial intelligence. The meeting addressed both the potential benefits and risks associated with the rapid advancement of AI technologies. Council members emphasized the necessity of international cooperation to ensure that AI contributes positively to global society while mitigating potential threats. As AI becomes more pervasive, discussions at the UN level will play a critical role in shaping policies that govern its use on a global scale. Conclusion. As we navigate through 2025, the updates in the AI landscape reveal a dynamic interplay between corporate innovation, government initiatives, ethical considerations, and international collaboration. The advancements made in AI technologies present tremendous opportunities for improving lives, driving economic growth, and addressing societal challenges. However, with these opportunities come responsibilities, necessitating careful attention to ethical implications and regulatory frameworks. As stakeholders across sectors continue to engage in discussions about the future of AI, it is essential to prioritize human rights, data protection, and ethical governance. By fostering a collaborative approach, we can harness the transformative power of AI for the betterment of society, ensuring that technology serves as a force for good in an ever-evolving world.